Alright, y'all, now we turning decimals into fractions. So it's a pretty simple trick. I'm just gonna show you guys how it works. So let's just get right into it, do some examples. So start with like that's 0.9. Alright, so 0.9. When you first learn the decimal points, they tell you this is equal to automatically, 9/10. You always been taught that. So that's the easiest conversion. If you got 0.3, that's going to be equal to 3/10. Those are straightforward, right? So the trick is, if you have anything like that, it just keeps going on. But the trick is, if you have 0.9, let's just say 94, as you add on a digit after the first digit, you just add on a 0 to the bottom, and that's your fraction. And then you can always reduce from there. So for example, this one, normally we'd have 9/10, right? But since we added on a 4 on the top, we just add on our 4 up top, and then we add on the extra 0 there. So actually this fraction is 94/100, and that makes perfect sense because this is 94/100ths. Got it? From here, if you want, you can reduce, dividing both of these by 2. Let's just say that's going to be 47/50. That's just if you wanted to reduce. But the main thing is, once you get into fraction form, reducing is pretty easy. Let's try another one. 0.06 over, well, just say 0.06. Hey, that's the fraction right there. That one would be equal to, of course, normally the 0 would go over 10. Remember that. And then now we add in a 6 there, and then we got a 0 there. Still got the 0 there, right? So really what that is 6/100. So 6/100, if we had to reduce that, we divide the top and the bottom by 3. Well, not by 3, actually by 2. And divide the top over here by 2. And what it will come out equal to is 6 divided by 3, we know is 3. And 100 divided by 2, we know is 50. So 3/50 would be the fraction. Alright? It's pretty straightforward. Another one. Let's try a mixed number. So if we have 1.87, that's a 7. 1.875. That makes sense. Yeah, let's try that. 1.875, and let's convert that. So first thing we know is, if you got a number before the decimal point, that's just the whole number in your mixed number. So that's just 1, right? Now let's do the fraction part. 8, I'm going to extend this out because we're going to use it, would normally be over 10, right? So then what's going to happen? We got a 7 here. Add another 0. We got a 5 up there. Add another 0. Guess what? You're done. 1 and 875 over 1,000. So I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. This is gonna be a practice problem. Just reduce this fraction. Hint, try 5. All right. So do the long division, break it down, and see you guys on the next lesson. All right.